Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is gonna be a review video. So before going into the video, subscribe to my channel, and next to it you'll find a bell button. Click it on so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload my video, and leave a comment below for more suggestions. You can also follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. I'll be leaving all the links below in the description box, so please go check it out. Now let's get into the video. So today's video is all about these products. This is Accumass. These are products sent by the company to me. So I'll be reviewing about this product, and I'll be sharing my honest review about this product. This is for the weight gain. This is the powder where you can mix it along with your milk and have it, and these are the capsules where you can take it in the morning or in the night. So yeah, this is capsules and this is the powder. So this one I've been using this product, and also yeah, one more thing I just wanted to clarify, that gain weight is not just by using this product. You need to eat healthy to put on weight. This will additionally build up your weight, but along with this you need to take a healthy diet. So I just wanted to clarify about this, and this is an Ayurvedic base, and this retails for 548 rupees, and they have also mentioned the manufacturing date and expiry date. It contains 500 grams plus 25 grams extra, that makes it 525 grams. And yeah, this product is something like this. This is how it is. This is a chocolate flavored one, and it comes inside. This is how it is. Cocoa. So yeah, inside you'll be having a packet which like you'll be having your product inside this cover, and they'll also give a small spoon. And this product has the steamy granules. I guess that's a sugar, but I'll be adding extra sugar because I have sweet tooth. And it smells something like elaichi and chocolate. So that's how it smells, and it does really taste good if you're mixing along with your milk, and you won't feel that you're having something Ayurvedic or anything like that. And backside they have mentioned all the ingredients and what all they have put in this product. And also they have mentioned like dosage, how to take it, and also store it in cool and dry place. Keep container tightly closed after every use. Yeah, so this is an Indian product, and let me just tell you, after using this product you won't find much difference. I mean, like maybe there are few people who will put on weight, but after using this product I kind of felt bit healthy, and I can literally, like, when you start using this product you'll know that your body has changed. And I haven't seen much difference because I've been using it only for 2 to 3 weeks for now, and I didn't get any reactions or anything like that. Maybe if you start using it for 2 to 3 months, you might observe the changes. And when I was mixing this along with my milk, I really found that it has a lot of badam, elaichi in it, which is kind of okay for me, but for my brother, elaichi and badam are like no, but anyway I'm forcing him to drink it along with this. So yeah, coming back to this capsules, I haven't used this capsules because I'm not much of tablet taking kind of a person. So yeah, maybe I'll use it later. And these are also same. The ingredients are also same, but only thing is, like, these are in the capsules form. So yeah, this is the product, and I might update my results on my social media network, so make sure you follow me over there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my review. Love you all, take care, bye bye, see you guys in the next video.